I'm very slow. So it's like this. You know the AI, why is it the AI in Fruity? You go to the website. Actually, even Fruity Loops, I think it can. Yeah, actually, Fruity Loops can separate bass, vocal, and don't everything. So now what's happening here? Ke separated, that was the original, then the chords, one. But I only chopped like 16 beat or something like that. It's already cut out of it. Because the peanuts are kale, mostly they change the progression and change. You could change the progression at 3. So peanut change the progression at 3. So ke a cappella, this is the a cappella now.
Think about the day I met the perfect stranger.
Alright. So now okay, like this thing called melody. This shit. So this is Melodyne. So what do you do? I channeled the chords, and then I channel I so obviously I can tell Melodyne. So Melodyne, right? I see Melodyne, but. So now I'm looking for the chords, right? So Melodyne, it takes a wave, then I change into the chords. So I can tell the chords. Yeah, inside the chords, I got a chord. I should do the chords a thing, right? Let me play it.
Think about the day I met.
Chord. Right? Then I save the MIDI, boom, boom, boom. Then sharp, I got the MIDI. So the MIDI, I see MIDI thing, fine. Now I have the chords, right? Right? So I don't need this anymore. Okay. I need to stop this Melodyne thing, right? Sharp. Wave, I don't need wave. I have this shit, right? Clean. Get the chord, or I had to redo them again. So obviously MIDI. Okay, let me show you a little shortcut. Let me just open another electric piano just to show you how I got the MIDI tail. Do go back again. Some go kids. I can't stop loving you. Okay, I'll get a new pattern just to see. It's just a really complicated yarn. It doesn't really take out like perfect chords and stuff, right? I kind of didn't look and say YouTube. So since I get less courses alone as it's television and look on international. See, get the chords are thing. So this was sounding like this, right? Chord. So even if I change, I see. All chords. So more change, more about complicating it. So get katile party again. Think about it. Then it change happen more. Yeah, so you have to fix this shit. So now, piano, you don't complicate. Mostly, piano, you have a progression. So this is the progression. So now it's fixed now. I fixed everything. I added a note. I think I did a note to it. I get the fifth or was it? It's piano. So sharp. And I got really bass line. So now we're here. And I got chopper sticks. I get the chopper sticks. Could drum loop so that I can. It's just fast programming, but I have to redo the beat again. But light sticks wabula and a little wabula the loop. Actually, everyone wabula the loop, but now my favorite loops that take a sticks in the Calvin. This screw about Calvin. So loop your thing I see yeah thing. So when I'm fast programming, I can make this thing be like a 10 minutes, whatever, guys. Then now I have to do drums processing. So now I want to like tech, especially tech is all about like real music and good chords and good bass line and stuff. So beat is always simple. Beat ya tech is simple. Now I can say you put them out and stuff. So it's a refill sticks is something. Right? So this good. Right? It's like loop. I'll make a loop sharp fast. Alright, get the chords. Then now I have the vocal now. Cause piano.
I think about the day I met the perfect stranger. I think about us. And I think about the day I got a wrap around your finger. I think about us. The song.
So ke loopa mo fela. And maybe vocally get lo itima, then someone's gonna sing. Understand? It's just inspiration where like to make music is sometimes you have to do the easy stuff, like easiest way to make music. I also know bucket flow. Cause you get on to song flow, like you have to feel good when you do something. I understand. So this is the Sunday vibes.
I think about the day.
So I have chord sharp clean. Nga eda dai poli 6 ela. Ebe richiana. The bass line yana. I wanna give the preset them do Mtuda. The boss are a lock drum. I mean the boss are DX10. If you know, you know. I buy it. If you know, you know. Mowirala. But I go to sub. I get more fire. I got my I get to the phone, I get to the mouse.
Think about us. I think about the day I met.
Magara tadi ting, erga thame ka chon. Ergise ka kumduka mula, right? Kitsere efel ega yonto. Yeah. Ergise ka kumduka, okay? I should do the cheat code to the inside. Cancel the chorus. Answer, ne? Ish, naka hi-hat. O bona hi-hat ene joke o ne nsokodisang ko mara ile tsotlhe tse. Hi-hat le ring. You understand? Ene kana bra rona mo tshwantsho re mo mute. Ish. Ha re ka pile bra rona iso. Close the loop. Agar I should loop nearly thing okay close. Just an name for inspiration, no one negotiation.
I think about the day I met the perfect stranger. I think about us.
What's up?
And I think about the day I got a rat around your finger. I think about us. I think about the day I met the perfect stranger. I think about us.
I can't dlala the key. I get blind. You don't have to be there. Everything. So, get art into. I'm gonna be blind. I start say, "Na lo batho ba bantsi ba leng dipina. I can't dlala the keys. They don't even know how to play keys at all. I bet this scale. I bet you more can't rap. So, I bet you criticize. Because now you want to have a fan of a show get the cheat code to get want to have a fan of how to make music. So now I can mute the vocals and then create one first time. Arrange it, make it one, don't do it. Someone can sing, and then maybe that's how we make a beat.